You play on the iPad and suddenly you get notifications from WhatsApp or Snap or even a call and you lose the whole game. Today in this video, I will explain to you step by step how to activate the gaming mode on the iPad and block all annoying notifications while playing. Peace be upon you, this is Adiba Najeh. In this video, I will explain very important settings on the iPad Air that help you focus while playing and prevent notifications and calls that interrupt your game. Let's get started. In the first step, we will go to settings and look here on the right for focus. This is focus. After that, several modes will appear, including Do Not Disturb, Work, and others. We will create our own mode, which is the gaming mode. At the top left, there is a plus sign. We will press this sign. After that, several options will appear. Choose the gaming option and press it directly. After that, you will press on Customize Focus. Here, the gaming mode will appear. You will see here under People, you will click on it regarding not wanting any calls from anyone. You will press on Mute Notifications. Of course, here you will activate mute notifications and press add to add the people you don't want to call you, and then press the check mark. After that, we will go to the apps and also press on silence notifications and press add to add the apps that will bother you with notifications. We press add, for example, we will select WhatsApp, we will select TikTok, then at the top left, we press done and check the mark. After you finish the settings, swipe the screen from the top left downwards and the control center will appear. You will press the plus sign, then add control. Then you will go search for focus. We press here on focus and like that we've added it to our external screen. After that, if you want to activate the mode, pull the screen down and enable focus mode. You will choose the gaming mode that we have now activated and this way the gaming mode will be on. For example, if you play PUBG, Call of Duty, Free Fire or Roblox. There's also a trick I will teach you. We'll go back to the mode we were in, the gaming mode. In this section, the wireless controller, we press on add schedule, then we'll press on the application. After that, we choose the game we have. For example, unfortunately, I honestly don't have games, but I can put any application like this one. And press done. Now you have a complete gaming mode on the iPad that blocks notifications and calls and activates automatically when you start the game. If you benefited from the explanation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the Successful Adiba channel and activate the bell. See you in a new video, God willing. Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings.